Hello everyone, my name is Bernie from SINPRO Electronic. Our presentation today will cover 3 topics. First is our brief company profile, followed with SINPRO's solution for e-scooter. Lastly is SINPRO's powertrain system for e-mobility. 2022 is SINPRO's 27th birthday. SINPRO was founded in 1995 with only 10 employees. Now we have grown to a middle-sized company totaling 600 employees globally, and we are proud to provide world-best power electronics with quality management systems such as ISO 9001, 14001, 13485, and IATF 16949. SINPRO's group has 2 manufacturing sites in Pingtung, Taiwan and Shenzhen, China, servicing different types of product, and our headquarters is located in Kaohsiung City. SINPRO's product and servers are exported around the globe. As you can see, our sales are evenly distributed between countries. We have long-term success cooperation with some well-known companies such as GE, Barco, and Panasonic. We also work with world-leading motorcycle manufacturers such as Kymco, Aeon, and China Motor Corporation. We have 5 international sales teams focusing on switching power supply in various markets, and new business group focus for e-mobility. We are also proud that SINPRO's motor and controller has won the 2022 Taiwan Excellence Award. In the next few slides, I will show you some of our products highlight and our one-stop servers which our partners can find their solutions for e-mobility. First is SINPRO's battery charging station designed for charging factories or B2B site. With flexible designs for customizations and various safety features, we designed these stations from top to bottom, which brings you to our next smart chargers. SINPRO provides world-leading smart charger with digital controls and programmable charging cycle through CAN bus or other communication protocol that makes charging safer and faster. We not only provide safe charging at home or on-site, we also provide OBC for motorcycle with high power needs. Second is our DC-DC converter with IP67 graded waterproof, designed with wide-range input options to fit various types of battery pack. As we see increased demand for higher power needs and compact size, in the coming years, our product roadmap aims to provide higher power products servicing wider range of markets. Last but not least, I will introduce to you SINPRO's Superstar, our 7.6 kilowatt powertrain system. This is a PMSM motor paired with our controller and rated output at 7.6 kilowatt. Max torque at 78 Newton meters. With water-cooled system and IP67 grade waterproof, our invention pattern has helped us reduce product size and weight, which provides more power output. Customer has the ability to customize this system to fit their needs. SINPRO provide high-speed CAN communication, custom digital input and output, 32 sets of custom CAN ID, and bootloader features. As you can see on this page, reliability and quality is our priority. Therefore, we have put many protection options available. In the last 2 slides, I will show you our road test video. First one is a test ride at Mountain Pass, and second is an e-scooter race. Please feel free to contact me for further information. Thank you.